Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're using the Brave browser on your mobile device and want to change your default search engine, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step to help you set the search engine you prefer, whether for standard or private tabs. Open the Brave browser on your mobile device. Tap on the three-dot menu located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Search Engines. Now, tap on the Standard tab option. Here, you'll see a list of available search engines. Tap the one you prefer to set it as your default. Press back to return to the Search Engines menu. Now, tap on the Private tab option. Again, choose the search engine you want to use when browsing in private mode. Once done, simply exit Settings. Your preferences are saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully customized your search engine preferences in the Brave browser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.